Data can change over time, which can result in data module changes. This can break dashboards. Knowing how to troubleshoot dashboard problems will help you get your dashboards back up and running faster. Knowing how to gather information IBM support will need will also speed your time to resolution. In this video, you'll see how to relink a dashboard to an updated or new data source, how to show a widget's serviceability information, and how to copy a dashboard specification. In this video, I'm going to use the Coffee Sales and Marketing data module and the Coffee Marketing dashboard that is found in the samples. Over time, your data source can change as columns are added and deleted. You can manage these changes by putting data sources with the same name into different folders, which effectively allows you to keep versions. Let's look at the scenario where you're working in a dashboard and you need to add some new data. In this case, with customer, I want to take the customer since date and I want to break out the anniversary year. I've made a copy of the Coffee Sales and Marketing data module. I've gone ahead and used the split function in the customer since date. And I use that to create anniversary month. In order to pick up the change, I click on Selected Sources and relink. Now in my case, because I have a copy, I've saved it in a My Content folder. Now that I've done the relink, you can see the name has changed and I'm picking up the new data module. And there's my anniversary month that I added. If I'm trying to troubleshoot performance issues, I can select a widget on the dashboard and I press Control period and the Serviceability window opens. Just want to note, if you're using a Mac, it is a different set of commands. The Serviceability shows me a number of different things that would be of interest. I can validate what my data source is. I can see the query the widget is using. Here's the performance information. I can toggle on durations for all visualizations, and this might help me identify a widget that's taking a particularly long time to render. I might have a need to share the entire specification for a dashboard. In that case, what I do is Control-Q/, and this is the dashboard specification. At this point, I could copy it. I could send it to someone in an email. Another thing I might want to do is make a copy of the dashboard, but point it to a different source. So I could take a copy of this specification, create a new dashboard, but don't pick a data source. I use the Control/Q to see the specification. I paste my specification that I copied in, and then I relink the dashboard to the new data source. Another tip to keep in mind when you're resolving issues with dashboards is try to use something from the samples prior to contacting support. This will help them troubleshoot the problem, as they'll be able to use the same sample as you have, and that should result in a faster resolution. This concludes the video on how to troubleshoot dashboards. Documentation for IBM Cognos Analytics with Watson is available online. The video description below contains links for topics covered in this video. If you would like to try what was demonstrated in this video, you will find the data in the samples folder in Team Content.